Okay, so I'm going to explain where I'm at with my CNC. So I've got the Mac 3 software, okay, that runs it, and that's connected to a computer that has an XP. So here you have my motors. They're NEMA 32s, okay, NEMA 34, sorry. And you have the X, the Y, and the Z. They're all connected to the circuit box. Those circuit boxes are connected to the power supplies. And the power supplies, I fused them on the... they weren't supposed to be fused, but I did fuse them. It's better to break a little 5-amp fuse than to blow something else. That's connected to the breaker board, which is connected to the computer. Now, I've also put in a kill switch for the electronic circuit board, okay? And here you have your limit switches, okay? And I've also put another cut-off switch onto the computer, so that way I can cut the electrics. Now I'll do the movements, okay? These X, right, left, okay, so as you can see, I've got the software to control the motors. Now I just have to make sure that I connect that to my table, which my table is over here, okay. I'm working on the Z axe, which will have a 13-inch traveling. I'm putting a router right now just to start, but I'm still waiting for my spindle. Okay, the Y-axis will be a rack and pinion, which will come this way. Okay, and the Z, the X one will be on this one here. Okay, and then all that will be connected together with the motors. So far, probably another 6 months before I'm done, but it is on a raised gantry and it's coming along really good.